Hello! Greetings! Welcome to Daikas Cartoon. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, before I gonna start on my program, I just want to say thank you very much for watching my channel. Thank you for the support. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. At the same time, please hit that notification bell at the same time so every time we're gonna put or post a new video, you're gonna be alerted, ladies and gentlemen. And don't forget to leave a comment and press like at the same time. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have a nice, pretty, beautiful topic today. This one is, I don't know, I think it's my memory that I'm playing this kind of toys. And actually, I don't have these toys when I'm growing up. I seeing them in the real life, the actual sizes. But I'm always amazed about these beautiful toys and real life. Okay, let's check them out. Check them out, and please, I hope you're gonna enjoy it like I enjoy it too. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls who remember this kind of toys. Actually, I don't have this kind of toys when I'm growing up. I seeing them in real actual size when I'm growing up. Because when I'm growing up, they're building um, the road on my place, on my what we call it barrio or a small town. Okay, so I saw a loader, a dozer, a bulldozer, and an earth mover. But the transport truck is not like this. It's like 10-wheeler or 4-yard trucks. Okay, and we're gonna open this and we're gonna play with them a little bit. And but before I gonna go there, most of children before, especially boys, every time we seeing this kind of equipment, we always amazed because how they work and how they do the job, like transporting one pile over here, go the other side and make it flat, those things. And I don't know, I think boys is like that. They're always fascinating about equipments or tools. Okay, but let's open one at a time and let's check them out and let's play them. I'm gonna open first this dozer and the transport truck, and I call them earth mover because they move earth, or earth is for me is the soil. That's how I call them, earth. Okay, let's open this one. Beautiful, nicey, nicey. I'm getting excited. I feel like I went back to my childhood. Okay. Okay, let's be careful. Nice and easy. Oh, before gonna open up, I'm sorry. It's included the sand, so we can play it same time. According over here, he got at least 5 ounces of dirt that we can play on it. There you go. Put that one away. And this the backboard. Beautiful. Nicey, nicey. Put this one away. Put it there. And let's check it out. Tan 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 tan. There you go. Take it. Sorry for the itchy sound. Let's take it off first. The bulldozer. Every kid, every time we saw, because usually we see a wheel. Suddenly we're gonna see a tracks like this, a chain, and we amazed all the time. I don't know why, but we amazed. I'm amazed though. It's me. Okay, let's take it off. Let's take it off. There he is. Okay, and the earth mover, the transport truck. Let's take it off. And there's like 5 ounces of soil over here that we can open and we can play. They're kind of red clay. There you go. That one. But first, we're gonna check the vehicle, ladies and gentlemen. This is a bulldozer. See they have tracks. This rubber thingy over here. Oh, okay. It's not rotating, so you got wheels over here in the bottom. There you go. And the push thingy over here that work pushing the dirt. It's up and down. Nicey, beautiful. There you go. Bam, 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 bam. And this one is the transport truck. Tire plastic. They're good. Durability. You know, because this one most of the time gonna play by small children. And they're good size, you know. They cannot swallow it. They go in the throat. And it's metal. You can hear the clang, clang, clang. It's metal. Okay. And this 5 ounce dirt. Now let's open the other part because we cannot play this one without the loader. Here, the loader. This one is one of the most. This one push all the dirt. This one transport it, and this one pick it up and put it in the loader over here. Okay. Okay. Let's open up the second one. Nicey. Oop. You know, I always like to save the boarding because I like to preserve them as much possible so I can put them away, and when I like to play them, you know, I'm gonna open them up again. There you go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so let's move this one over here so we can see the thingy. And this one got a this one is the one of the most important equipment here too. This one is a loader. This one is pick up all the materials and put it here on the transport vehicle or put it point A to point B. It's a very important equipment to learn if you're gonna operate heavy equipment. And of course, we have another bulldozer. I call it the dozer. I have another dozer. Alright, put like that. This one in the back, like that, and put it like this. Beautiful, nicey, ladies and gentlemen. I love it. Okay, so let's I'm looking for my scissor. I'm excited. Oh no! Okay, I'm gonna pick you up later. That's my pen. Pen. Okay. Okay. And I believe this one are safe for children. Hold on. Let me read the thingy over here. Yep. Mighty bulldozer and everything. Got here. Okay. And I believe probably this one is safe. You know, just in case the sand or the accidentally swallow. But it's better to check it out, everything, before you're gonna give to your children. Okay, let's open up this one. Okay. I'm gonna move all the dozer in the side and the transport. I'm gonna just open one packet of soil. Put the scissor here so I won't stab myself or poke. Okay. This one is like a clay, ladies and gentlemen. There you go. This one side. And yep, it's like a sand or a clay something. It's sand actually. That the, let's see if can. Okay. See, the dozer gonna push it. Push it together. Then after they push it, this one gonna park over here. Then the loader gonna pick it up like this. Then gonna bend that one like that. Oh, okay, let's see. Sometimes the dozer can do this one. Chop it up. There. Then move back. Then pick it up. Then move back here. Pick it up. There you go. Then drop it to the bed. I think our dozer is our loader is not big enough. There you go. Then chop it up. Sometimes you can do this in actual life. You can drag the materials out, chop it like that. Then put the bucket down and pick it up and drive it and drop it there. There you go. Beautiful. So the dozer and one more. Okay, I'm gonna put it here now. The dozer, the transport. Let's say you have some over here. You can see it. Sometimes they're sticky or something. Just drop your dozer like that. Drop your bucket. Make it straight. Like that. Then drag it. Then lift it up. Then do it like that. Then pick it up. Then you're gonna let me push that one over and drop it like that. Okay, I think this one is it's not made for this one because if you're gonna use a loader, you need to be, I think, at least the arm gonna be higher, so you won't hit so you can dump it nice and easy. Or okay, let's simulate. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. There you go. And I'm gonna put the dozer over here, pushing all the rest of the dirt. There you go. Put the two dozer over here. Beautiful. I love it. I love it, ladies and gentlemen. Put it there like that. So like that. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoy it. Same thing, I enjoy this toy, die-cast car toy, and this one is forever that children playing for it, because even me, I'll never stop playing them. But in real life, up to now, because I'm amazed of this kind of equipment, up to now, I'm start operating them. Okay, but anyway, I just want to remind everybody, please, 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 if you're gonna ride, always be defensive and always be safe. Bye.